In today's routine, I will be taking you through a short morning routine to set you up for the day and increase your protective energy. Welcome to Happy Qi, Happy Me. My name is Nicole. We will start off with full body breathing. We'll keep our arms on the sides of our body and we'll breathe in through the skin. And then breathing out through all the pores of the body, increasing that protective Wei Qi energy. Breathing in through the skin of the whole body. Breathing out through the pores, again expanding that protective energy. Building that shield around us, breathing in. And one last time, breathing out, again increasing that field around us. Next, we'll do knocking on the door of life. We'll have our knees slightly bent, and then we'll start turning from the center, allowing our arms to gently knock across our body. So what we're doing here is we're gently releasing any stagnation while we gently massage key pressure points that enliven our body. Making sure you're taking deep breaths at the same time. And then we'll slowly unravel, coming back to center. Next, we'll do spinal cord breathing. We'll bend our arms, breathing in, looking up and creating a curve in our spine as we look up. And breathing out, creating that C curve. And I will show you from the side, so breathing in. And breathing out. Breathing in, looking up if you can. And breathing out, creating that C curve. We'll do a few more. Increasing the flexibility in our spine, releasing any tension from possibly how we may have slept throughout the night. And then we can start turning to one side, breathing in and back to the center, going the other way. We'll do a few more of those so that we're including a bit of wringing out, moving our spine a little bit different, increasing our flexibility, and setting ourselves up for a good day. We'll do one more to each side. And we'll release. Next, we'll do spreading the feathers. So bringing our hands forward, around, and out. Repeating that again to the front. And back and out. And one last one. And then we'll lean our head over towards one shoulder, taking deep breaths. And then we can slowly start rolling our head to the back and to the front, being very gentle here. Releasing any tension that we may be holding in the neck area. loosening that up. And I'm coming through the middle, going to the other side. Coming back to the center, and now we'll circle our hands the other way. So coming back first and to the front and out. Back, front and out. And one more. And then again, we'll bring our head towards one shoulder, taking deep breaths, and then slowly and gently start rolling your head to the back and then the front. Coming to the center and then the other side. Again, starting to roll our head to the back and the front. Making sure that we release any of the tension that we may have from the night, from sleeping. And release. We'll cross our hands, bringing out to about shoulder height, out and down. Repeating that. And what we're doing here is we are increasing the protective energy around our body, shielding ourselves. Breathing in as the hands come out, and breathing out as they come back down. And one more. Releasing our hands. We'll bring our feet together and we will finish off with centering. So one hand comes below, the other circles up and comes down through the middle. Up and down through the middle with the other hand. We'll do a few more and you can breathe in as the hands circle up and breathe out as they come through the middle. Locking in all of the goodness from the short morning practice that we just did. One last one. And release. Notice how you feel. I hope you enjoyed this short little routine. Please feel free to share with your friends and family. And I wish you a fantastic day and I will see you next time. Bye.